Hello dear fans. How to find the base of an isosceles trapezoid. A trapezoid is a quadrilateral whose bases lie on two parallel lines, while the other two sides are not parallel. Finding the base of an isosceles trapezoid is required both when passing theory and solving problems in educational institutions, and in a number of professions: engineering, architectural, design. Instructions. Step 1. An isosceles, trapezoid has non-parallel sides, as well as the angles that are formed when crossing the lower base, are equal. Step 2. A trapezoid has two bases, and in order to find them, you must first define the shape. Let an isosceles trapezoid ABCD with bases AD and BC be given. In this case, all parameters are known, except for the bases. Side AB equals CD equals A, height BH equals H and area S. Step 3. Solve the problem of the base of a trapezoid. It will be easiest to compose a system of equations in order to find the necessary bases through interrelated quantities. Step 4. Denote the segment BC by X and AD by Y, so that in the future it will be convenient to handle the formulas and understand them. If you don't do this right away, you can get confused. Step 5. Write down all the formulas that will come in handy in solving the problem using known data. Formula for the area of an isosceles trapezoid: S equals AD plus BC asterisk H/2. Pythagorean theorem: A asterisk A equals H asterisk H plus AH asterisk AH. Step 6. Remember the property of an isosceles trapezoid: the heights emerging from the top of the trapezoid cut off equal segments on a large base. It follows that two bases can be linked by the formula following from this property: AD equals BC plus 2AH or Y equals X plus 2AH. Step 7. Find leg AH by following the Pythagorean theorem you already wrote down. Let it be equal to some number k. Then the formula following from the property of an isosceles trapezoid will look like this: Y equals X plus 2k. Step 8. Express the unknown quantity in terms of the area of the trapezoid. You should get AD equals 2 asterisk S slash HBC or Y equals 2 asterisk S slash HX. Step 9. After that, substitute these numerical values into the resulting system of equations and solve it. The solution to any system of equations can be found automatically in the MathCAD program. Thanks for watching.